How to sign up to Whatnot account? Well, it's pretty simple and a quick process, so without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. Start by heading over to your application Whatnot. It will land you on the space where you will be able to create an account or sign into your account. As you're looking forward to create a new account, you can see tons of different options where you can create, from Google account, Facebook account, Apple account, and email. Choose whichever account you want to sign up with. Let me choose Continue with Google and then tap on Continue. From here, choose a specific Google account from which you want to sign into your account. Once you have selected, tap on Continue at the bottom right corner of the screen. If you already have your account, then it will simply sign into your specific account. But if you haven't created yet, then you will ask to enter your phone number. And then you will receive one verification code on your phone number. Copy that code and enter it in the section where you are asked to. After that, tap on Confirm. And then your account will be created successfully. So that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.